Now, may I request everyone to rise for the invocation.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya sarvesham swastirbhavatu sarvesham shantirbhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
On behalf of the whole academic community here at IIIT Kottayam, I welcome you all to the 4th annual convocation of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam. Mr. Sanjay K. Murthy, Secretary, Higher Education, Ministry of Education, and Honorable Chairperson, Board of Governors, expressed his inability to attend the convocation due to the ongoing Parliament sessions and authorized Dr. Rajiv Dharaskar, Director IIIT Kottayam, to conduct the 4th convocation on his behalf. Now, I request Dr. Rajiv Dharaskar, Director IIIT Kottayam, to declare the 4th convocation open on behalf of the Board of Governors and then to present the Institute report.
I declare the 4th convocation of IIIT Kottayam open. Good morning, one and all. The chief guest of convocation, Honorable Dr. T.C. Thomas, Distinguished Scientist and Director General, DRDO, the Chairman of Board of Governors, Honorable K. Sanjay Murthy, Secretary, Ministry of Education, the present and former members of Board of Governors, the Finance Committee, the Senate, the Building Works Committee, distinguished invitees, Registrar, Dean Academics, faculty, administrative and teaching staff, technical staff, dear students, other esteemed guests, member of the media, and dear graduates, and their proud parents and family members. I extend a very cordial welcome to you all to the 4th convocation of IIIT Kottayam. At the outset, I take this opportunity to express our gratitude to Honorable Dr. T.C. Thomas for readily agreeing to be the chief guest of this function and to deliver a convocation address. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to inform you that today a total 87 undergraduate students will be receiving their degree certificates. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all of them and to their proud parents. IIIT Kottayam has completed 6 years. While we pride ourselves in many accomplishments so far, at the same time, we are working tirelessly to achieve more. On this occasion, I can only reflect on a few of our modest achievements in the academic and sustainable capacity building since the beginning of this session. Student strength. IIIT Kottayam has become preferred destination for computer engineering student and IT sector professionals in India. This year, student strength of institute is 1359, which include 68 PhD scholar, 168 MTech students, postdoctorate scholars, and 416 newly joined first-year students. Gradually, our faculty strength has increased from 31 to 50, and we could attract excellent talent across the globe, which includes qualified faculty from UK, Germany, South Africa, China, Denmark, Canada, etc., and from premier institutes of India such as IITs, IIITs, NITs, central universities, and other premier institutes. New courses. After MTech in AI and data science and cybersecurity for working professionals, this year IIIT Kottayam has started third MTech course, that is Big Data and ML for working professional. As of today, we have admitted 168 students from 133 IT industries, which include candidates with over 10 years of experience from top IT industries. This year, along with BTech in CSE, Cybersecurity and ECE, IIIT Kottayam has started BTech in Computer Science with specialization in AI and Data Science. We are among the few CFTI who could start these courses of national interest, especially BTech, MTech, PhD, and cybersecurity. We are the first. Research. To date, the institute could submit 311 research and project proposals worth approximately 382 crores to various funding agencies and various funding agencies across the globe, such as Australia, Brazil, Brunei, Germany, Italy, Japan, Malaysia, Portugal, Siberia, USA. To date, our faculty members, including administrative staff, have published or presented more than 1,000 research papers, which include 28 research papers of BTech students. The faculty members of IIIT Kottayam got 12 Best Paper Awards. This year, one more new development, IIIT Kottayam has started 9 research groups, which include internal members as well as external members such as renowned faculty, industry personnel, and experts from R&D labs from India and abroad. Till date, these research communities have more than 350 members, and out of which more than 100 are foreigners. Incubation. IIIT Kottayam has 2 incubation centers, MSME and AIC Niti Aayog. This year we have started third one, namely Gyan Innovation. They have given birth to 35 startups and could apply 27 national and international patents. Programming culture. Our students have won prizes and rankings in 92 prestigious global and national coding competitions such as Google Summer Code, Google Hash Code, and so on. Industry interface. To date, we have signed 35 MOUs with prestigious organizations across the globe. Almost every student of IIIT Kottayam has opted for 2 to 3 internships and industries in India and abroad. We have invited more than 75 experts across the globe. Industry experts. International interface. This year, IIIT Kottayam has contributed a lot for developing international interface. This year, we have organized IEEE International, third IEEE International Conference, and 2 more are we have planned for next year. Along with TUM Germany, we organized second Indo-European Entrepreneurial Hackathon on IoT and cloud analysis and entrepreneurship. ACP IIIT Kottayam and DPhil Belgium have organized bootcamp. This year, a British council has sanctioned 3 funding projects with Cardiff University and University of Glasgow, etc. Till date, we have submitted 30 international projects, proposal to different organizations of 13 different countries. Networking and technical talent. Networking of technical talent. The faculty of IIIT Kottayam are connecting thousands of academicians, research scholars, students, industry personnel, and society through hundreds of events. Campus placement. This year to date, BTech final year highest package is 58 lakhs. 3 more students got pay packages of 45 lakhs. 9 students got packages about 30 lakhs. And 2 students got international offer from Japan. We have become financially self-sustainable and generating surplus revenue from third phase of construction and infrastructural development. We are keeping our promise to maintain the academic environment at par with any other institution, internationally acclaimed premier higher education institution across the globe. The commitment and the dedication of our faculty, students, administrative staff, especially the registrar office headed by Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dean, academics, and technical staff always inspire me. I thank them all for their diligent efforts and support. With this commitment, tireless effort, and the strong foundation that the Institute now stands on, I assure you that IIIT Kottayam will continuously grow to greater heights. Once again, we rejoice with all the graduates of today for your scholastic achievements at IIIT Kottayam. Your journey into lifelong learning has just begun. You will have to face many challenges considering the rapid rate of change and challenges of 21st century. You need to impact society positively through your newly acquired knowledge and competencies. We also enjoin you to be good ambassador of this premier institute of national importance in whatever capacities you find yourself. More importantly, may I implore you to always remember the IIIT Kottayam in all that you do and contribute to its development. Always remember that this institute is owned by you. Keep connected with us, not just as alumni, but as an important stakeholder in this institute. As your experience grows, come back as a mentor to future batches. Your contribution will enrich the heritage of IIIT Kottayam. We will always remain keen to hear about your progress. Our relationship now enters into a new paradigm. This new relationship is the most beautiful treasure that we will share from today. On behalf of faculty, staff and students of IIIT Kottayam, and on my own, I would like to express our gratitude to Honorable Education Minister Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Ministry, Government of India, Honorable CM of Kerala Sri Pinaraj Vijayan, the ENIT Department of Government of Kerala, and late Sri K.M. Mani for the generous support and unwavering assistance as well as guidance. I am indebted to the Chairperson BOG and the members of Board of Governors, the private partners and other statutory bodies for their effective advice and guidance. Jai Hind. Now I request the registrar to read the message from Chairperson, Board of Governors, and introduce the chief guest on behalf of Chairperson.
The message from Mr. Sanjay K. Murthy, Secretary, Ministry of Education, and Honorable Chairperson, IIIT Kottayam, is as follows. Dr. Tessie Thomas, Distinguished Scientist and Director General, Aeronautical Systems, DRDO, the present and former members of Board of Governors, the Finance Committee, the Senate, the Buildings First Committee, distinguished invitees, our former Mental Director, Professor Ramakrishnan, Director, Registrar, Dean, Academic Faculty, Administrative and Technical Staff, other esteemed guests, members of the media, dear graduates, and their proud parents. Good morning, and a very warm welcome to all of you to the 4th Convocation of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam. We are greatly honored to have with us today Dr. Tessie Thomas, the Missile Woman of India. Madam, we take this as a matter of pride and privilege that you accepted our request to be the chief guest on this occasion. My heartiest congratulations to each one of the students and their parents who are graduating today from IIIT Kottayam, one of the premier institutions in India. Being one of the youngest IIITs in India, the accomplishments of IIIT Kottayam within a short span of roughly 6 years from existence is exemplary and admirable. From a humble beginning of just 30 students and 10 faculties, IIIT Kottayam has grown huge with a current strength of more than 1,300 students, including research scholars, M.Tech students who are all working professionals, and 416 newly joined undergraduate students from the 2022 batch. The Institute's persistent commitment to a curiosity-driven and application-driven research culture has paved the way to more than 300 sanctioned or approved applied projects and about 30 MOUs and collaborations with reputed international and national organizations. More than 600 research papers in IT and IT-related fields, a vibrant programming culture, international PhD scholarships, and a stellar placement record of 42 lakhs per annum with an average salary of 10.45 lakhs per annum. I'm indeed very pleased to note that the number of students getting degrees from IIIT Kottayam is increasing gradually every year, and this year 87 students are graduating. I'm confident that the time you have spent at IIIT Kottayam would help you to go a long way in creating a solid foundation and a brilliant career for you in whichever area you choose to select. I do hope that you will remain connected to this institution and contribute to its further progress and developments. I would like to particularly thank the parents and relatives of graduates who have supported the choice of these students to join IIIT Kottayam. I also congratulate the administration, faculty, and staff of IIIT Kottayam for their tireless efforts leading to the marvelous growth of the institute in these 6 years. Thanks to the wisdom of all members of the BOG, Finance Committee, Buildings and Works Committee, and the Senate, the institute is now able to make extraordinary contributions to the nation and the worldwide. Once again, on behalf of the Board of Governors and on my own behalf, I take this opportunity to express my thanks to Dr. Tessie Thomas for her kind acceptance of our invitation and to grace this occasion. Dr. Tessie Thomas, popularly known as Agniputri or Missile Woman, she is country's first woman scientist to lead a missile project. Dr. Tessie Thomas received her BTech in Electrical Engineering from Government Engineering College, Trichur in Kerala, ME in Guided Missiles from IIT Pune, presently known as Defence Institute of Advanced Technology, and a PhD in Missile Guidance from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, JNTU, Hyderabad. Of course, she also obtained an MBA in Operations Management from IGNOU. Dr. Tessie Thomas joined IIT Pune as a faculty member in Guided Missiles in 1986. In 1988, she joined DRDL Hyderabad, where she was associated with Agni program right from its developmental flights. She designed and the guidance scheme for a long-range missile system which are used in all Agni missiles and underwater weapon system. In 2018, she was appointed as the Director General Aeronautical Systems of DRDO. In her work spanning more than 34 years, she has contributed to various fields such as guidance, control, internal navigation, and missile design. She led the major Agni project, Agni 4 and Agni 5, as a project director with the state-of-the-art system technology contributions. Presently, leading the aeronautical systems cluster laboratories as a Director General with the responsibility of design and development of the state-of-the-art UAVs, manned and unmanned aircrafts, then turbine engine technology, and so on. Dr. Tessie Thomas has membership in several scientific societies and professional institutions. She was nominated as the first woman member of the IIT Council by the President of India and the Union Education Ministry. She has also been awarded honorary doctorate degrees by prestigious institutions across India. Dr. Tessie Thomas is also a recipient of numerous prestigious awards, including Lokamanya Tilak National Award, News 18 India's Amrita Ratna Award, Dr. APJ Award by Nurul Islam Center for Higher Education, Amity Women Leadership Excellence Awards, Eminent Engineer Award by the Engineering Council of India, DRDO Professional Excellence Award for Agni 4 and Agni 5, DRDO Scientist of the Year, and these are a few to name. She has also honored with First Lady's Award for the first missile woman of India from the Honorable President of India in 2018. Dr. Tessie Thomas' presence today is a source of inspiration for all of us. We are all looking forward to listen to her words of wisdom and advice to our graduates. I am honored to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Tessie Thomas, to deliver the convocation address.
Respected Dr. Rajiv Daraskar, Director, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Registrar, members of Senate, distinguished guests, faculty members, parents, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Hearty congratulations to this year's undergraduate students, 2018 batch of IIIT Kottayam, on the occasion of their graduation. It's indeed a great honor and pleasure to be here among you to address the 4th annual convocation of one of the finest institutions in India, the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam. I am thankful to the Chairman BOG and BOG members and the management for inviting me as chief guest on this occasion, and would like to express my gratitude to the entire management for giving me this opportunity. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the students who are graduating today. It's a day of pride for the graduating students, their parents, and the faculty members who helped them achieve their goals. Needless to say, this is a moment of great joy and satisfaction in your life. This makes the completion of one stage of your life and the beginning of another. I am sure that education, the value system, and the training you have acquired in this institute must have made you confident to face real-world challenges. I welcome you as the next generation leaders and entrepreneurs. I offer my felicitations to all of you on your wonderful achievement. My compliments to faculty members and staff for their valuable contribution, hard work, and dedication in bringing up this institute as one of the admirable and of national importance in major research areas, domains like computer science, electronics, cyber security, and artificial intelligence. On-campus placement record of your batch is also praiseworthy, with the highest CTC of 42 lakhs per annum and an average CTC of 10.45 lakhs per annum, with 212 offers for 67 registered candidates. From records, it is seen that your batch witnessed the growth of this institute from a rented campus to a fully established campus during the 4 years of your study. You witnessed each and every stage of the progress of the institute. I understand the confidence and glory you people created led to the situation of 416 UG students joining in the year 2022, out of which around 150 freeze their seats in the initial counseling period itself. For a IIIT, which is just 7 years old, it's a remarkable achievement. My prayers to the Almighty for blessing this institution to grow from strength to strength and lead by example with the excellent students getting graduated and dedicated to the nation. Each one of you should aim for greater achievements in science and technology. With the advancements in information technology, now the world is at your fingertips. There are many sources of information that can be utilized for updating your knowledge. You are the future of this nation. You have proven yourself as good students. It's time to embrace the opportunity and new challenges to reinforce humanity and empathy. I am confident that the technical knowledge you have gained will enable you to excel in your professional career. Some of the latest technologies which you are going to work with the future are artificial intelligence, edge computing, Internet of Behavior, quantum computing, blockchain, cybersecurity, human augmentation, distributed cloud, augmented reality, virtual reality, multi-sensor data fusion, to name a few. With the mighty magic world of Internet of Things combined with digital twin, cybersecurity and robotics, the world is moving towards innovation and inventions. Big data analytics derives innovative solutions and helps in optimizing business processes. Networking is the prime aspect of artificial intelligence, and the use of advanced materials for manufacturing with shared information through IoT and additive manufacturing will give you a new level of intelligence to robotics. We are in the midst of fourth industrial revolution, and AI is one of its catalysts. We are in the world well connected, informed and updated. You have seen the challenges, extreme hardship and unprecedented situation because of COVID and the post-pandemic opportunities that followed. Innovation is largely recognized as the currency of future, which provides a competitive edge, and creativity should be the main design driver. Educational institutions should promote innovation in teaching and learning and generate new ideas and technologies for the betterment of society as a whole. It's important to ignite young minds and motivate them to play a major role in the development of science and technology and make them part of the nation's development. Every challenge comes with an opportunity, and one should take up the less traversed path. Be ready to explore the world, find solutions and gain experience and knowledge which makes an individual winner in his or her career. I would like to conclude my talk by quoting Mahatma Gandhiji's words: "Be the change you wish to see in this world." I urge you to be the catalyst of change, lead the world and make your nation proud. May this day be very special in your lives, something beautiful and very significant. Best wishes to all of you. Thank you and Jai Hind.
I submit 16 students who have completed the requirements of the graduate program and have been recommended for the award of the degree BTech Honors in Computer Science and Engineering by the Senate. They be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chairperson Senate, I admit you all to the award of degree of BTech Honors, Computer Science and Engineering of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam.
I present Mr. A.V.S. Adityavardhan, Mr. Vivek Vinoy Paul, Mr. Dinesh Kumar P, Miss Madala Nirupama Chaudhary, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Gangor, Mr. Rahul Nayak BV, Miss Ruchika Sridhar, Mr. Sarfaraz Ahmad KL, Mr. Sivans Dansan, Mr. Tijo Thomas, Miss Sumana Busireddy, Mr. Vishnu Ajit, Mr. Mohesh M, Mr. Anthony Francis, Miss Misela Somya, Mr. Venkata Gopi Yamarpala are unable to attend the convocation. The degree be awarded in absentia.
I submit 71 students who have completed the requirements of the graduate program and have been recommended for the award of the degree BTech Computer Science and Engineering by the Senate. They be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chairperson Senate, I admit you all to the award of degree of Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam.
I present Mr. Prajnavarish Reddy Sarila. Miss A.V. Bhavya. Mr. Sindur Ajman Tej Alapidi. Miss Anjali M.N. Mr. Bhaskar Burogit. Mr. Chinda Omesh Sai. Mr. Devarani Dinesh. Mr. Durjadi Vats. Mr. Goody Avinash. Mr. Gummadi Avinash. Miss Jagrati Thakur. Mr. Jonalaganda Venkata Satyakrishna. Mr. Karthik B.S. Mr. Kaushal. Mr. Kaushal Samant. Mr. Venkata Shiva Ganesh Kodali. Miss Kumari Misa. Mr. Kushagra Manish.
I present Mr. M.G. Christopher. Miss Macharala Sindhuja. Miss Madha Aishwarya. Miss Meenakshi Venkatraman. Mr. Muhammad Nisar E. Miss Muskan Rana. Mr. Nikhil Kumar. Mr. Pamarthi Kunal. Mr. Pasumarthi Abhishek. Mr. Pasupuleti Sai Kumar. Mr. Prabal Kalia. Mr. Prabhav Kumar Singh. Mr. Pushpam Saxena. Mr. Ragul Mani R.S. Mr. Rahul Ranjan. Mr. Ramana Boyana Govardhan. Mr. Ram Kumar T. Mr. Sarun P. Nair. Mr. Sai Kumar Avu. Mr. Samudrala Shivakumar.
I present Mr. Shreyas J.S. Miss Snehamol Balan. Mr. Tarun Kumar Singh. Mr. Ubli Sandeep. Mr. Vaisak Dilip. Mr. Venkataswamy Sundar. Yattanapudi Vinay. Mr. Erlakata Sai Bhavanis. Mr. Miss Roshni Rashid. Yes, something is. Mr. Kotapalli Syam Sundar. Mr. Hari Prasad K. Mr. Ritik Agarwal. Mr. Ameya Gupta. Miss Lavanya. Miss Karthigayani. The following students are unable to attend the convocation. The degree be awarded in absentia. Mr. Allu Harsavardhan, Mr. Anandu Raghuvamsi, Mr. Dhanush Argach, Mr. Eslavat Bhavan, Mr. Gantula Venkateshwar Reddy, Mr. Muhammad Nikal, Pedetta Venkata Harsha, Betty Svejan, Miss J. Sangeeta, Miss Bushi Reddy Mansi Reddy, Mr. Rumesh, Mr. Srivasa Sudarshan S., Mr. Siddharth Asok, Mr. Srinivasa Sumaditya, Jangam Reddy Harshavardhan Reddy, Mr. Satyam Raj. Thank you.
I now request Chief Guest Dr. Tacey Thomas to award the Institute medals and certificate of merits.
The Institute gold and silver medals are awarded to students with the highest and second highest academic performance among all the students in the graduating batch. For the year 2022, I present to you Dr. Tacey Thomas, the following students for gold and silver medals. Gold medal goes to Mr. AVS Adityavardhan. He completed his schooling in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, India. He received the Andhra Pradesh State Unified Council Award in 2010. He completed class 12 from Basham Junior College, AP, and graduated from IITK with a CGPA of 9.84. He worked on a project titled Auto Hire, an AI-based automated technical interview, where he developed an AI-based solution which automatically evaluates the interview answers provided to a virtual interview environment on the web and shortlists candidates to the next round. This project received a grant from the MSME to extend it. He was part of the team who received cash award from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, COVID-19 India Turning the Tide Hackathon. He received the Best Mentor Award in dual categories, Web Development and Machine Learning, for monitoring 10 plus mentees from IEEE Kerala. Adityavardhan also worked with the placement cell and coordinated placement activities for 3 years. He has done internship with TechVault, Survey Sparrow, UST Global, Techvolution, IBM, MediaNet. He is currently working as a full stack software engineer at Shipsy. Silver medal goes to Miss A.V. Bhavya. Miss A.V. Bhavya completed 12th grade from RSK Higher Secondary School in Trichy, Tamil Nadu. She graduated from IITK with a CGPA of 9.55. She did internship with companies such as L&T, Pacify, Lidgenix, Ericsson, and Youngsoft India. She was also a member of the R&D team that worked on a mobile application called Apna Study, which was successfully deployed. She has published a research paper titled Personalized Emotion Detection from Text Using Machine Learning at the 6th EAI International Conference on Computer Science and Engineering, Springer Innovations in Communication and Computing, EAE Comms 2022. She is now working as a business analyst at Deloitte in Bangalore.
The Institute Certificate of Merit is awarded to students with a CGPA of 9 and above in the graduating batch. For the year 2022, I present 8 students. Mr. AVS Adityavarthan, Miss A.V. Bhavya, Mr. Jonaglada Venkata Satyakrishna, Mr. Prabal Kalia, Mr. Pushpam Saxena, Miss Muskan Rana, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Gankhor, Mr. Yarlagada Sai Bhavadish,
The graduates may take the oath now, administered by Chairperson Senate.
I solemnly swear that as a graduate of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam, I will use my knowledge, experience and skills for the enhancement of my professional growth and the well-being of my country and the protection of the global resources. I will make my alma mater proud by following the highest level of honesty and integrity. My actions and work will always be with the due responsibility, respect, sympathy and dignity to all who have shared knowledge with me will always be honored, and I will firmly assume to share the knowledge I gain with others.
I request the director to approve the names of the graduates in the convocation register on behalf of the Chairperson Board of Governors, and also to declare the convocation closed.
I approve the names of graduates in the convocation register, and I declare the fourth convocation of IIIT Kottayam closed on behalf of the chairperson.
Please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
All are requested to stand up and remain standing at their places till all the members of the academic procession leave the hall.
The graduates and the senators are requested to assemble at the lobby area for a group photo.
രണ്ടും കൂടെ രണ്ട് ഓടിയാനാണ് പ്ലേ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ജനഗണ ഒരിക്കലും പ്ലേ ആയിരിക്കും ഞാനത് മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചതാണ് ഞാൻ രണ്ട് പ്ലെയറിൽ എടുത്ത് വെച്ചിരുന്നത് മീൻസ് മിക്സായി സംഭവിക്കാനുള്ള സംഭവിച്ചു ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളതേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇനി വരുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യാത്തേ ഉള്ളൂ